Hey guys, come here, Zeus. Sorry. So I have a few lines to do, and an audition and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do those. I think that literally all of these are for Howling Stones Productions. So let's just get to there. So I'm gonna first do my audition for Falcon. What's he in? Hold on. Okay, so obviously he doesn't say what he's in. But anyways, first I'm gonna do my audition for him. So I really need to find that because I've forgotten all about it. Okay, here it is. Okay, so just gonna do this. I think this is Rogue, right? Yeah, Rogue. Zeus, go away. I'm trying to work. Okay, sorry. That's not what I asked, Rogue. Oh, wait, I did that wrong. That's not what I asked you, Rogue. I'm gonna redo that one more time. That's not what I asked you, Rogue. Okay, I think that was good. Just in case, I'm gonna do it again. That's not what I asked you, Rogue. Okay, so there's that audition. So next, since I'm waiting on a comment back for Blizzard, I'm gonna go ahead and do these lines for this little pup Takari'l. And I think I'm saying his name right. I probably am. Then again, I don't know. Okay, so we'll do these. Hey Dad, look what I caught. Hey Dad, look what I caught. Hey Dad, look what I caught. Do you think Mom will like it? Do you think Mom will like it? Do you think Mom will like it? Okay. Okay. Hey Mom, look what I Hey Mom, look what I caught. Hey Mom, look what I caught. Mom? 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 Oh, okay, Dad. Oh, okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. Dad, what do we do? What if we starve? Dad, what do we do? What if we starve? Dad, what do we do? What if we starve? Dad, I caught one! Dad, I caught one! Dad, I caught one! Dad, I'm hungry. Dad, I'm hungry. Dad, I'm hungry. Yawn. Okay, I'm sorry. Talking like that made me have to yawn. Just the word tired made me have to yawn too. Okay, so those are Takari'l's lines. Let's see, did I get my comment back? Because I still need to know about Blizzard. Because I think I was right that she said that. But I'm just trying to make sure. So I'll be back for Blizzard's lines. Okay, so I was right. He's an adult in the next episodes. Okay, so these are Blizzard's lines for Killer on the Loose. Zeus, get off of my back. Okay, here we go. Got you again. Got you again. Wait, why did I laugh in front of them? Sorry. Got you again. Hey, get back here. Hey, get back here. Hey, get back here. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Dad. Can I go for a walk? I'm thirsty. Can I go for a walk? I'm thirsty. Can I go for a walk? I'm thirsty. I will. I will. I will. You hurt me, so I hurt you. You hurt me, so I hurt you. You hurt me, so I hurt you. Oh, like it's annoying after saying it 50 million times. Okay, next one. That's what you get for hurting me. That's what you get for hurting me. That's what you get for hurting me. Don't worry, Oak. I'm here. Don't worry, Oak. I'm here. Don't worry, Oak. I'm here. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Alright, I think that those are all the lines that I have to do for those I was doing lines for. Let me see. I think I already did those lines. Just check. Okay, so I've already done all of those lines as well. Hold on, because I'm thinking out loud right now. Let's see. Takari'l, Scar, Falcon. Audition for Falcon. That other chick from that one thing. I think her name's Ashley. I don't remember. Somebody else. Okay. Sorry, I was thinking out loud and did it pretty loud. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Yawn. Okay, so those are all the lines and stuff that I have to do for Howling Stones Productions. And coincidence that all of those are for Howling Stones Productions, because if I get the part of Falcon, I will be voicing 3 characters for Howling Stones Productions. I know, right? Amazing. Okay, I couldn't help myself. I had to. Sorry. Mostly because, like, I'm only voicing Takari'l because she couldn't... No, I'm sorry. I'll be voicing 4 because I forgot about Blizzard. Anyways, I obviously said I would voice Takari'l because, like, nobody else wanted to voice Takari'l, okay? So I was like, I'll voice Takari'l. I like that name too, Takari'l. It's kind of cool. Anyways, that's all that I have to do for all these lines and stuff. And I will see you guys in another video like this or whatever.